बहुत सुंदर आप लोगों ने ये व्यवस्था भी रखा, विशेष करके हमारे भैया जी आए हैं, और विशेष करके आपकी भतीजी उनके बेटा के जन्म महोत्सव पर आज ये उत्सव भी रखा और भी बताया उनके
and also
अच्छा आपके बेटे की शादी होने वाला जो है
and the engagement of their son,
इससे पारमार्थिक भी लाभ होता है जैसे
and there is also a benefit in spirituality. As Maharaji has explained, this sanskar is there.
जैसे अभी अभी महाराज ने बताया,
Like Maharaj has explained,
स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण
Krishna, the Supreme Personality of God, who took birth from his mother's womb, Mother Yashoda, and Nanda Maharaj called all the Brajavasis and celebrated his appearance. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Shukadeva Goswami Pad has said, Nanda Maharaj called the Brajavasis and the Brahmanas and performed the birth ceremony of Krishna. He gave charity to the Brahmanas. It's called Jata Sanskar. In the Western countries, these ceremonies are not there. In our culture, we come to the temple, we have darshan of Thakurji and perform puja, swasti vachan. Yesterday we explained Srimati Radhika's appearance day, Vrishabhanu Maharaj and Kirtika Sundari by Narad Rishi's hands perform the swasti vachan. This is our culture. Particularly Nanda Utsav, on the appearance of Krishna, how Srimad Mother Yashoda took ghee lamp and offered to the Yamuna. One pastime, Mother Yashoda said to herself she would offer 1,108 ghee lamps. And taking Gopal there on the bank of the Yamuna, and the Brahmanas perform mantras. Bring the ghee lamp into the Yamuna, touching Gopal, for the protection of Krishna from any inauspiciousness or the influence of any demigod demons, and offering by chanting Veda mantras to the Yamuna. Mother Yashoda was so restless. He was standing behind Mother Yashoda. The donor in which the ghee lamp was placed in. When you see, if you go to Kartik, thousands of ghee lamps are offered on both banks of the Jamuna. You will see like a continuous line of ghee lamps in the Jamuna. Mother Yashoda touched Krishna's body and offered those ghee lamp, like the Brahmanas were chanting the mantras. Mother Yashoda was chanting. Krishna was behind. How many? 1,108. And all they were finished. When she came out of the water, all the ghee lamps were where? On the banks of the Jamuna.
भगवान कृष्ण भगवान है ना,
He is Bhagwan, Supreme Personality of God. He took each one of them and put them on the bank.
ये दीपक,
Mother Yashoda said, "Oh,
ये प्रदीप जो है,
what?
ये जमुना में क्यों नहीं है?
Why are they not in the river?" Krishna said,
बह जाती है ना,
"Those that are floating away in the river, my job is to save them. So I take them out of the water and put them on the bank again.
जो पानी बह जाता है,
Those who are drifting away in the water, I pick them up and put them back on the bank safely. Like those who are drowning in the ocean of this material existence, I have to save them." In the dialogue between Devahuti and Kapil Dev,
माँ देवहूति की भी कथा,
Kapil Dev explained to Mother Devahuti
मातृगर्भ में कैसे रहती है,
how the living entity is in the womb of the mother. After 6 months, the child has some knowledge of this existence, cannot move.
माँ जो कुछ भी खाती है,
Whatever the mother eats, in very subtle form, that touches the body of the child in the womb. If you read Bhagavad, particularly in the 3rd canto, it's very nicely explained in this conversation between Mother Devahuti and Kapil Dev.
भूल गए सब,
We're forgotten.
किंतु सभी कुछ, उस समय हम लोग भगवान के लिए प्रार्थना की,
We prayed to the Lord at that time.
हम कष्ट सहन नहीं करें,
We could not tolerate that pain in the mother's womb.
मुझे मातृगर्भ से मुझे
Please liberate me from this suffering in the mother's womb. Then the Lord said, "I will very quickly,
विश्वास करें या न करें,
whether you believe or not, whether you're a theist or atheist, this is not our subject.
सभी ने हमने क्या किया?
What
सब
did
लोगों
I,
ने ओथ
we
लिया।
have taken this oath, each one of
हे
us.
प्रभु, इस मातृगर्भ से हमें
Oh Mother, please take us out of this
ये देखो और 2 महीने ठहर जाओ, तो कितने महीने हो गए?
body. Now wait for 2 more
9
months.
महीने हो गए, 9 महीने 10 दिन के बाद
After 9 months, 10 days,
वायु के रूप में मातृगर्भ में प्रवेश करके
the Lord appears as a particular type of force, one type of air.
उस समय प्रभु के हमने स्मरण किया, और प्रभु हमें दर्शन भी दिया।
The Lord gave us His darshan in the womb.
इस संसार में जन्म लिया, हम प्रभु से
But when we come out of the womb, then we
और अपने
forget.
माता पिता भाई बंधु आदि की तरह हम चल रहे हैं।
By the love and affection of our mother and father and our relatives,
मातृगर्भ में हम
we
लोग क्या
continue our
करते हैं?
journey in this life. But whilst in the mood, we were suffering so much.
इसके बाद हमारे आत्मीय स्वजन जो हमें पालन पोषण करें, धीरे-धीरे
And after being nourished
और इस
by our relatives and growing up and going into school,
जब लिखे पढ़ा विद्या अर्जन कर लेते हैं, तब हम
and learn to write and qualification, we earn a living in America and abroad, and then we collect wealth, then we build our home nicely, and then we get married.
यदि घर में गृहिणी नहीं हो, पुत्र नहीं हो,
If there's no wife in the house, that's not called a griha.
इसलिए शास्त्र में कहा जाता है गृहस्थ
Yes, grihastha. There's a difference between those who live in their household life and those who live in the mutt.
जिसमें घर में रह करके विधिवत शास्त्र
Grini means ones who lives in their household, having married, who lives with their wife and performs devotional practice. That's called grihastha.
एक होता है गृहस्थ,
One is grihastha,
गृह
another is griha medi. Trying to understand.
शास्त्र में कहा
But in the scriptures it is explained,
जो गृह में रह करके
one who lives in the griha,
पति पत्नी पुत्र संतान
with their family, children,
की सेवा दी।
and serves the Supreme Personality of God. And this is called the Grihastha.
मेरी शब्द क्या है?
Griha Medi is applied to that.
ये गृह में तो रहते
They live in the household, but they do not follow the rules and regulations.
धान गेहूं
Just like in the previous days,
एक फूटा जो है काट दिया जाता है।
we used to keep one stump
एक रस्सी बांध दिया जाता है।
and tie one string to a cow, two or three cows. That stump is called a medi. That stump is the stabilizing element, unit, in this process of separating the grains and the husk. Griha Medi is that. But Grihastha is that person who lives in their household, respects everyone in the household, but performs their devotional practice. It's called Grihastha. When we worship the Supreme Personality of Godhead, then everything is sanctified. To please Vishnu, we're living in their household life, family life, with wife, children. We worship Lord Vishnu and serve. We have to take our duties and responsibilities. This is the conception of our scriptures. It's not that there are just two of us and our two children. Not this narrow-minded, selfish, nuclear family. And then they send the elders in the old people's home. This is not our culture. Our culture is everyone get together, live together, and perform the devotional practice. Wherever you may live, we may say we have to go to our workplace some distance away. But we have one thread that connects us. This is our culture. If we don't perform devotional practice, then Maya will catch us. And one who is flowing in this river of material existence, the Lord says, I have to save them and bring them back on the safe shore, on the bank. So we're celebrating the birthday, whatever we're doing, celebrating. We put Govinda in the middle and offer everything to Govinda. In the Bhagavad Gita, it says, one who takes something without offering it to me first, they are ultimately taking sin. And in that sin, they have to suffer again in this repeated cycle of birth and death. But the Lord says, one who offers me first and accepts it as the remnants, they do not have to enter into this repeated cycle of birth and death. For this reason, what this celebrations you're observing today in Raman Bihari Gaudiya Math, very nicely, this is the mercy of the Lord. I'm stop here and we do Sasti Vachan, where we have to go to the program, and Giriraj and Bhagavad Sapta from 4 o'clock. It will be starting. So I'm requesting everyone, please attend the Bhagavad Katha, and today particularly Annakot Mahamotsav. We will celebrate this Annakot Mahamotsav. You please take part. Please come forward. We'll do Sasti Vachan.
महाराज जी का
Where's Maharaj?
सरस्वती वाचन हो जाए, इसके बाद भगवान कीर्तन करें,
And then we'll do Kirtan and Aarti
प्रोग्राम है।
and move forward. Lal ki